so many things around us. We can see colorful flowers, birds, animal computers, aeroplanes, mountains, tables, books, humans, plants, toys, air conditions, etc. All of these things can be classified into living and non-living. Living things. Those things which have life in them are known as living things. They have the ability to grow, breathe, and reproduce by themselves. However, living things are further classified into two types: animals and plants. We humans too come under the category of animals. Non-living things. Things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. They do grow, breathe, move, or reproduce. For example, mountain, table, cups, fan, etc.
Features of living things. Living things move. Living things like humans and animals move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, and safety. For example, animals like cats, dogs, horses, and cows walk and run around with the help of legs. Birds and bees have wings to fly. Fishes have fins to swim. Insects like ants have legs to crawl. Plants are fixed at one place. They do not need to move in search of food, as they prepare their own food with the help of water, air, and sunlight. They do, however, show movements in other ways. Plants droop down or sway. For example, bending of sunflower towards sunlight. Growth of the shoot system above ground and roots towards ground. Opening and closing of stomata in leaves. And closing of leaves of Mimosa pudica, touch me not, when touched. Non-living things cannot move on their own. They can move only when pushed or pulled by something else. For example, car, bus, train, etc. Living things grow. Growth is one of the most important characteristics of living things. All living things grow with time. Different plants and animals grow differently. Some grow fast, while some grow slowly. As the time passes, babies of the humans and animals grow in adults. A seed develops into a plant, and a plant develops into a tree. Non-living things do not grow. For example, pencil or chair cannot grow. Living things need food. To live and grow, all living things such as plants, humans and animals need food. Green plants prepare their own food using air, water and sunlight. Living things breathe. All living things need to breathe in order to stay alive. Humans and animals that live on land breathe through lungs. Other animals have different organs for breathing. For example, fish breathe through gills in water. Frog breathes through its lungs on land and through its moist skin in water. Plants also breathe through the small pores present on their leaves. These pores are called stomata. Living things feel. All living things respond to changes in the surroundings. Human beings and other animals have sense organs to feel changes around them. For example, we feel pain and instantly pull away our hand on touching a hot object. Plants can also feel changes around them, but they do not have sense organs. For example, a plant always grows towards sunlight. Plants can also sense weather changes. Many plants shed their leaves in autumn and bear flowers in spring. Non-living things do not feel and respond. Living things reproduce. All living things have the ability to produce offspring of their own species. They maintain their balance in nature through reproduction. It is a process by which living beings produce young ones of their own kind. Animals reproduce in a variety of ways. As a result, reproduction is one of the most important characteristics of living things. For example, human beings give birth to babies, cats give birth to kittens, cows give birth to calves, and hence lay eggs from which chickens hatch. Living things die. All living things grow and finally die someday. That is, every living thing has a fixed lifespan. The lifespan is different for each living being. For example, a banyan tree dies in about 300 to 400 years, whereas a butterfly dies in 1 or 2 weeks. Natural and man-made things. Everything around us can also be classified as natural or man-made. Natural things. Natural things are things that are created by nature, for example, animals, plants, the earth, rivers, rocks, the sun, the moon, stars, and so on. Natural things can be either living or non-living. Man-made things. Man-made things are those that are created by humans. Every man-made thing is non-living, for example, a television set, a robot, a car, a road, a computer, a building, an aeroplane, a table, and so on. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.